So guys, hello. On this channel we show one Russian brand. It is small business and it is only fair to show also this Ukrainian brand, which is also small business, and these countries are in war, and I am so sorry for these people for trying to survive everything and live a normal life and have something. So these ones are phenomenal colors. Rosa Gallery, I can't believe they are on discount and cost a full pounds, cost €1 or $1. So I did found this on one also small business online store here in Germany, but I really want to try them together. And look how, oh my god, how they are so pigmented. I can't believe. I want to give a little bit water inside of every of these colors, and we will try, and I will show you and I will tell you. Don't look this super small. This is a Roman schmal, but it's I ordered one more accidentally, I suppose, and it is perfect for this. And I don't have this thin box for these colors, so I'm just putting in this carton box. So let's go and try them. This one is cadmium yellow. I have from this Rosa Gallery, I bought everything which is on there, and this is don't look this. So look this tree and everything else. So it is 17 colors. I tried to buy something which has sense, because look how this fantastic. These colors are so fantastic. Look. And look how deep this can be. Almost covering everything. So this was a cadmium yellow light, and this is a cadmium yellow blue, or not blue, cadmium yellow deep. So this is that one. Can you see how beautiful and vivid these colors are? I am in shock. So this is a cadmium orange. Oh my god. What did I do? So cadmium orange. Fantastic colors. Then it's flame red. And I also have, I think, one of granulated colors. Then it's mother red. Mother red. Then it is mother rose. And bright red. And this one is really, really bright. And look at this. It's covering everything. Fantastic color. Then is magenta gray. I really enjoy in this one. Fabulous color. If they have everything, I probably will not order this magenta gray, but now I'm not sorry. Look how beautiful this color are. Then it's a bright green. Then it's blue. I look at the chart for these colors from Rosa Gallery, and it's really just called blue. And then we have bright blue. And now I didn't leave enough space for this. So this is blue and this is bright blue. Pretty similar, but they are just one number, one from another, one number difference. Then we have raw sienna, then is amber, this color is also fantastic for the ground, for mountains. I love it to paint landscapes. So now we have maroon brown, and look at this color. Fantastic color, maroon brown. Fabulous color. I think this one is my favorite, and I will never order this. That they have everything, but they didn't have everything because it's so cheap. Then is cobalt gray, and full pounds for €1. I can't believe. So cobalt gray, also very beautiful colors for mountains, for stones. And also I will never order silver and gold because I already have so much silver and gold and shimmery colors, but they have this, and I want to order everything because they're so cheap and on discount. So it's gold, all this here, and yes, it's very shimmery and very beautiful. So now this magenta gray, it's a little bit light granulating color, and also I think this gray, and silver and gold are shimmery and beautiful, and all of these colors are so fabulous, and you can, I think I will have this many years. Because they're so beautiful colors. Fantastic colors. And look how they're lifting and activated with water again and again. Because these ones are already almost dried. I think they are fabulous. And these golds and silver are so cute and shimmery and beautiful. And this maroon, I love it so much. I really love these colors. So that is that, and now we can paint something. I will take a bit of, I think this one is right side, and I will want to try these brushes because I paid for them. For 50 brushes I pay €5, and this is so this part is bad plastic, but I think brush is nice, very nice. So I want to first make one circle just like this from water, and then I want this yellow inside, and maybe this yellow. Oh my god, this is too much. This yellow around, and then this orange also around. And then maybe also in that orange, darkest one. Because I really want to know how these colors work together. This paper is really wrapping around. Then I want this gray, and first I will leave this part a bit to dry, and I want here some leaves. So that is that. Then I want this gray. Oh my god, this brush is already falling apart. Okay, then what next? Next maybe some mountains over here, like this. That, then maybe some green, maybe green like here, some bushes, Then what should we do then? Maybe the leaves. Maybe birds. And with this color. And then also a little small bushes, maybe here. Not bushes, like branches and everything. So maybe here. And here. This course really works so fantastic. I love them. So this is my little crazy work. I just want to try them, how they work together, how they work on wet or wet on dry and everything. And I hope that you like it. Maybe we can add a bit of gold, maybe here. And maybe a little silver here. And that is my crazy painting. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really happy that I found this Rosa Gallery paints, and if you can find them, here they go. They are so beautiful. I can't believe that I have all of this for 17 euros. So see you for 2 days, or maybe 3. Bye.